guys, just a quick little update on the markets, the mighty pips indicator and how it's going. I just wanted to show you what the CPI has done and how the indicator reacted to it and the predictions it had given us. Yeah, I was so quick to close some of the trades, but I left some running on also accounts that I'm managing a bit. But yeah, I closed them because the news first came out good, and then the market actually dropped. GBP USD dropped, but just eventually a few seconds later it then started reversing to go up. So I'm just going to turn the camera around and show you guys what has happened in the market and how the candle has gone up right now. So guys, you can see that here we've been buying. You can see these buy arrows. These are the buy signals here given by the indicator. Okay, this is all before the CPI. As you guys can see, this is all before the CPI. This is the 1 hour chart, as you can see, and this is a real account. I don't want you guys to claim that it's a demo. I have my levels drawn on. Someone asked me, do you use the indicator for trading strictly? No, not like that. I use the indicator for confirmation, but you can see that I have my levels drawn on. I have my levels drawn on. If you go on the daily chart, you can see the levels more clearly. You see, I have this level drawn on the daily chart. It's a level of resistance, of support turned resistance, then turned support again. So I came down to 1 hour chart. That's where I've been placing entries. As you guys could see, we had a massive push to the downside. Then I closed off some trades because I thought the market had broken this level. It's going to continue down. But then the indicator had shown here, the mighty pips precision had shown here that the market is going to rally up. That's why I had some buys. I had buys on many accounts that I'm trading for GBP USD, and I also had this morning a buy here. So right now I have 2 buys running, and yeah, you can see this is a 1 hour candle pushing very strongly up, and we are up 190 180 pips around there. And yeah, we'll see where this goes. Maybe we'll close it up, or we'll trail these tops to profit, guys. If this candle closes above this level, then I may move these stop losses to above here. Okay, so the candle has closed. You can see the mighty pips indicator is giving me another buy signal for continuation upwards, guys. So I hope you guys are finding value in the content that I'm updating you guys with. And yeah, let's see how it goes. So you guys, you've seen how far we've come with the trading for today. Hope you've seen how the indicator is working. I hope you guys give a like on the video, smash the subscribe button, and also comment down below if you made some money during the CPI. With that short video, I just wanted to give you guys an update. And you guys, thank you for liking the videos. Please continue to support this channel. You know, when you like the video, when you watch the video and you like it, the YouTube algorithm starts to share that video to many people, or show it to many people, many traders who are also seeking to learn information like you guys are getting from this channel. So I hope you guys will support the channel by giving your like. If this video gets at least 50 likes, I will give you guys a free strategy that can make you guys profitable. Another free strategy. So let's try to give this video 50 likes or so within 1 week, and we'll see how it goes. Thank you guys for watching. Till next time, bye.